Is your battery icon too small to see clearly on your phone screen? You're not the only one. Whether your eyesight isn't what it used to be, or you just prefer larger, clearer icons at the top of your display, there's a simple hidden setting that can fix it fast, and you won't need to install any apps. In this quick guide, I'll walk you through how to make your battery icon, signal bars, and Wi-Fi indicators larger and easier to read in just a few taps. This trick works on most Android phones, and I'll guide you step by step right now. Let's get started. To begin, we need to unlock something on your phone called Developer Options. It might sound technical, but don't worry, it's totally safe and easy to turn on. Start by opening your Settings app. Scroll all the way to the bottom and tap on About Phone. Look for the option labeled Build Number, or sometimes Software Version depending on your phone. Once you find it, tap that line 7 times in a row. You'll get a message saying something like, "You are now a developer." If your phone asks for your PIN, pattern, or password, just enter it to continue. Now that you've enabled developer mode, go back to the main settings menu. At the top, use the search bar and type Developer Options. Tap it when it appears. Inside the Developer Options menu, scroll down until you find a section labeled Drawing. Under that, you'll see something called Smallest Width. Tap on it. You'll now see a number, typically something like 360 or 392. This number controls how compact or spacious things look on your screen. To make your status icons larger, change that number to something smaller, like 340, and then tap OK. Now go back to your home screen and take a look. Your battery icon, Wi-Fi symbol, and signal bars should now look noticeably bigger and easier to read. If you want to adjust it even further, try different numbers between 300 and 400 until it feels just right for your eyes and screen size. And there you go. You've just customized your Android's icon size without using any third-party apps, and it only took a minute. If this video helped you out, go ahead and like it, subscribe to the channel, and tap the bell icon so you won't miss out on more easy Android tricks like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.